Welcome to this technical guide on the Information-Conga 1590. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Information-Conga 1590 only works when plugged in, it indicates a problem with the battery or charging port. This issue usually arises due to battery degradation or a faulty connection. If left unresolved, your device could eventually fail to operate altogether, leaving you without a working device. To resolve this issue, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, a new battery compatible with the Information-Conga 1590, and a pair of tweezers. Begin by ensuring your device is powered off to avoid any electrical hazards. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws on the back panel. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Carefully use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover, taking care not to damage any clips or components inside. Once you have access to the interior, locate the battery. It is typically a rectangular component connected by a few wires. Check for any signs of swelling or damage. If you find the battery is faulty, gently disconnect the cables using the tweezers, noting their positions for reinstallation. Once disconnected, carefully lift the old battery out of its compartment. Take your new battery and place it into the same slot, ensuring it fits snugly. Reconnect the cables in the same manner they were initially attached. Make sure they are secure but avoid using excessive force. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After replacing the battery, it's time to reassemble your device. Carefully align the back cover and press it down until it clicks into place. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier, tightening them gently without over-tightening, which could damage the screw holes. Finally, power on your Information-Conga 1590 to check if it charges properly. If it does, congratulations, you've successfully repaired your device. To prevent this issue from occurring again, ensure that you charge your device regularly and avoid letting the battery completely drain to prolong its lifespan. Keeping your device clean and free of dust can also help maintain good connections. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.